30 days ago, I had a job I was good at, a job I thought was safe. And then, AI walked in. Not with a resume, but with an algorithm. It worked faster, it worked cheaper, and unlike me, it didn't need coffee breaks. But this isn't just a sob story. This is the real raw truth about what happens when AI takes your job and how you can fight back. AI replaced my job in 30 days. Here's what I learned. I was working in data entry, repetitive, precise, and, let's be honest, a little boring. But hey, it paid the bills, right? I had my routine down, knew the ins and outs of the system, even had my favorite coffee mug on my desk. One day management called a meeting. You know the kind, that feels different. There's an air of uncertainty, whispers in the hallway beforehand. This one had that vibe, and everyone in the room could feel it. They introduced a tool, not just any tool, this one was powered by GPT, trained to automate data classification, invoicing, even emails, the kind of stuff I was doing, day in and day out. And the thing is, it wasn't just good, it was scary good, like, scarily efficient. The kind of efficiency that keeps a CEO up at night, but in a good way, for them at least. This tool didn't need onboarding, it didn't need training, it didn't need my years of experience or my caffeine addiction, and in just 2 weeks, half the team was gone. The mood shifted quickly. What was once a team, people I'd share coffee breaks with, joke with about bad office snacks, it was like a ghost town. And I knew deep down, I was next. By day 30, so was I. Just like that, my desk was empty, my mug was gone, and my position, well, it just didn't exist anymore. I'll be honest, the first few days were rough. I went through the stages, denial, anger, even tried bargaining with the universe. But eventually, reality set in. I wasn't alone. Everywhere I looked, people were losing their jobs to AI. Truck drivers replaced by self-driving trucks, factory workers replaced by robots, even artists and writers were feeling the heat. I dove into research, and what I found shocked me. The numbers were staggering. Reports predicted millions of jobs lost, entire industries disrupted. It was like the future had arrived, but it wasn't the bright, shiny future we were promised. This wasn't some sci-fi movie, this was real life, and it was happening faster than anyone could have predicted. But here's the thing. Amidst all the doom and gloom, I stumbled upon something else. A glimmer of hope. People were fighting back. Not with protests or petitions, but with adaptation. They were learning new skills, embracing the technology that displaced them, and turning it into an opportunity. I saw developers building their own AI tools, artists using AI to enhance their creativity, entrepreneurs leveraging AI to launch new businesses. It was like a whole new world was opening up and I wanted in. That's when it clicked. I couldn't change what happened, but I could change how I reacted to it. I could either be a victim of the AI revolution, or I could be a participant. Chapter 3. I stopped asking why me, and started asking why AI. Instead of seeing it as the enemy, I decided to understand it, to see the potential it held. I enrolled in online courses, devoured every article and video I could find about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and this thing called prompt engineering that kept popping up. It was like a whole new world was opening up to me. I started to see the logic behind the algorithms, the creativity that could be unlocked by understanding how to communicate with AI. This wasn't just about getting a new job, it was about getting a new perspective. I realized that AI wasn't here to replace us, not entirely anyway. It was here to augment us, to enhance our capabilities, to push the boundaries of what's possible. And that's when the fear started to fade, replaced by a sense of excitement, a thirst for knowledge, a drive to master this new frontier. I wasn't just learning new skills, I was reshaping my mindset. I was no longer afraid of the future, I was eager to help shape it. Chapter 4. I took a deep dive into the world of prompt engineering. It was like learning a new language, the language of AI. How to structure your requests, how to refine your prompts, how to get the AI to do exactly what you wanted. And it wasn't just theory, I was putting it into practice, building small projects, automating tasks, even creating my own AI-powered tools. I learned how to automate reports with Python, something that used to take me hours, now done in minutes. It was like having a superpower. I even built a small AI-powered newsletter in a weekend using Zapier and GPT. It curated content, generated summaries, and even personalized the emails for each subscriber. The more I learned, the more confident I became. I started attending meetups, connecting with other AI enthusiasts, sharing ideas, and collaborating on projects. It was like a whole new community had embraced me, a community of innovators, creators, and problem solvers who saw AI not as a threat, but as a tool for progress. I wasn't just building skills, I was building a network, a support system, a group of people who understood what it meant to adapt and thrive in this new AI-powered world. Chapter 5. So what's the takeaway here? What have I learned in these past 30 days? Simple. Don't fear AI. Embrace it. This isn't just about tech jobs, it's about every job. AI is going to touch every industry, every profession in some way. The question is, will you be ready? Learn prompt engineering. It's the new coding. If you can write good prompts, you can control powerful AI. You can automate tasks, generate creative content, even build your own AI-powered tools. Don't wait for someone to tell you what skills to learn. Be proactive. Explore online courses, attend workshops, join online communities. The resources are out there, you just have to take the first step. And most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment. Play with AI tools, build something small, see what you can create. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become, and the more opportunities you'll unlock. Remember, AI is a tool. It's up to us to decide how we use it. We can let it replace us, or we can leverage it to create, to innovate, to build a better future. AI replaced my job, but it also replaced my fear, with curiosity, my routine, with creativity, my limits, with leverage. If you're watching this and worried, don't be afraid of AI, be afraid of standing still, because in this new world, the biggest risk is not changing at all. Hit like if you're ready to take control of your future. Subscribe for more real talk on AI and the future of work. And drop a comment, has AI affected your job yet? I read everyone.